Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Tucson wiper blades. Park with the ignition off, lift the wiper arm gently, and prop it so it stays away from the glass. Inspect the connection style and lay out your new blades and tools. Working calmly prevents scratches and avoids snapping the arm. I will walk you through removal, installation, and a quick test to ensure streak-free wiping and proper fit. In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Tucson wiper blades. Start by raising the arm and locating the release clip or latch type for your blade. Depress the tab while holding the blade steady, then slide the old blade off the hook or adapter with a firm, controlled motion. Set the removed blade aside for recycling or disposal and inspect the arm for any bends or corrosion before fitting the replacement. In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Tucson wiper blades. Align the new blade's adapter to the arm hook, slide it until you hear a definitive click, and ensure the lock engages. Gently lower the arm back to the windshield and repeat on the other side for consistency. Activate the wipers to test for secure fit and even contact. Adjust or reattach if you notice skipping, chatter, or missed areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.